There lives a young boy named Liam in a small village near a big forest. Every day, Liam wakes up early. He brushes his teeth, washes his face, and eats a simple breakfast. Then, he goes to the forest with his little dog, Buddy. Liam loves nature. He listens to the birds, touches the trees, and smells the fresh air. The forest gives him peace. Buddy runs, jumps, and plays happily around him. One morning, Liam hears a strange sound. It comes from behind a bush. He walks slowly and finds a baby deer. The deer shakes and looks scared. Liam kneels down and speaks softly. "Don't be afraid," he says. Buddy sits quietly beside him. Liam notices that the deer limps. Its leg looks hurt. He removes his shirt and wraps it gently around the leg. He carries the deer to his village. The villagers watch him with surprise. Liam's father calls the local veterinarian who examines the deer. "It's a small injury," the doctor explains. "The deer needs rest." Liam builds a small shelter near his house. Every day he feeds the deer, cleans the shelter, and checks its leg. Weeks pass. The deer gets stronger. Liam smiles every time he sees the deer stand and walk. One day, the deer runs again. It jumps with joy and the villagers clap. Liam knows it's time to let it go. He walks the deer to the forest. "Be safe," he says. The deer looks at Liam for a moment and then runs into the trees. Now, every morning, Liam visits the forest. Sometimes he sees the deer from far away. It stands, watches, and disappears into the woods. Liam feels happy. He knows the forest is a place of friendship, care, and love.